Now we're back to freecodecamp, still data visualization. It's the second one right here. And it's a weird course section as I don't really have to walk you through it. Most of the tasks can be solved by just copy pasting the example. For example, here we have our event listener. And we'll just have to add this code line for the onClick function, and then it already runs. So this is what you have to do for the most part. There was only one task where I had to add something, or at least adjust it a little bit. So I'm going to speed the video up until this point, and then I'm going to show you this. So it's this one right here, this task. It's called access to JSON data from an API. You can still copy paste this code line, but if you read the task carefully, this is not going to give us the result that we need. We want to have Loki printed out, and Loki can be found at a different position. So we are in code line 11. And if you read the task, let me scroll down a little bit. You can see that we need for the cat with the ID of 2. So we need to fix this right here. Our ID is 2. Print the second value of the codenames array. So instead of all text, we'll have to use the codenames array. On second position has the index of 1, or second value has the index of 1. And now if we print it, you can see Loki. So this is how you can solve this one. But the rest is still copy paste, so it's not really a walkthrough this time. Sorry about that, it's a weird course section. Obviously it's a good idea to read all of the text and try to understand what the code does, but normally my goal here is to give you training wheels and show you how it can be solved when you get stuck. And because you just have to copy paste the examples, you can't really get stuck here. Next up are certification projects. That's going to be a little bit more interesting again. I'll try to finish them in my next walkthroughs. I hope this video was still helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.